Hey everyone, I'm Murphy Vadan and we are on day 13 of our 21 days easy meditation series. Today's meditation again uses a simple basic routine activity from your daily life and converts it into a meditative tool. The act of taking your bath mindfully or mindful shower. So you must be wondering, I have already discussed on this in one of the previous meditations. Yes, but today we are going to add the technique of visualization to the last part of your mindful shower, which converts it into a deep cleansing, a spiritual cleansing ritual as well. So how your simple bath can be a meditation is, you just decide that when you take bath, whether it is for 5 minutes or for 15 minutes or more, you are going to be 100% present there with all your senses and not allow the days or life's worries, problems, worries about present, past, or mind chatter to disturb you, at least during that few minutes when you are taking your shower. And this allows the water to do the cleansing and the relaxing that it is supposed to do for you whenever you are taking bath. So once you have had this intention that, okay, today my bath is going to be my meditation and I'm not going to allow all these unnecessary thoughts and mind chatter to block me, then I want you to use the last few minutes of your bath or the last few ounces of water or few mugs of water to be used with visualization. Visualization just means using mental visual images to imagine in as much reality as possible or as much detail as possible that it feels real. For example, you want to have an ice cream. So visualization means that you close your eyes and you imagine you are at the ice cream parlor buying that ice cream and trying to feel the taste and the joy of having the ice cream. That is visualization. All right. So here it is irrelevant when I'm talking about mindful shower, whether you are taking bath with an overhead shower, hand shower, or using a bathtub, or simply a bucket of water, a few buckets of water and mug. It is irrelevant whether your bath is 5 minutes or 15 minutes or more. The last few minutes of when you rinse yourself with water, I want you to close your eyes and imagine that the water is not only cleansing your body, but it's taking with it all the negativity, negative emotions like fear, anger, self-doubt, or some days envy, jealousy, worries, everything the water is taking with it and flowing it to the drain. I want you to imagine in a movie like detail that water is taking all that from your body and taking it to the drain. You can even add colors, like you can imagine your anger, it's flowing out and the water is turning red. Red water is going to the drain, or jealousy is going in green. All your worries and negative emotions that doesn't serve you are going in black. All right. So just imagine that last few ounces of water not only cleaning your body, but cleaning you from inside out, and that is your opportunity to cleanse yourself with any particular emotion or all negative emotions or all those emotions that doesn't serve you. You're just imagining it flowing out into the drain and leaving you. Now for those of you who may find it childish or just question that how this simple childlike imagination is being termed as a deep spiritual cleansing. Well, for years, mankind in all the spiritual sciences and most of the healing modalities have understood the immense healing potential of water for human body, mind and spirit. And that's why water has been successfully being used as a healing medium for years, for not only the human physiological distresses, but also for psychological and emotional distresses as well. And in relation to this subject about the power of the healing power of water, you can even check online Dr. Emoto's work, Dr. Masaru Emoto, who has not only done extensive study but published many books on the life energy present in the water and how human consciousness in close contact with water can even change the molecular structure of frozen water. So on that note, I hope you give this a try. It doesn't even require you to take some extra time or learn a new technique to meditate, but just use your bathing ritual as a deep meditation. And let me know in the comments below whether it works for you. Any doubts or queries, feel free to put in the comments and I'll reply for that with another day, another meditation. Take care, stay safe, bye-bye.